Okay, so in the mail the other day came a new carburetor for the ET8. Now, this carburetor is the new one. This carburetor is the old one. You can see it's got some filth on it. But there is something very interesting, and I'm tempted to tear this new carburetor apart to find out, this new one, to find out what's different in it. But this one, this is the old one. It's very smooth, and the opening in it is quite large. And when it's closed on this side, it's almost all the way closed. But you can see there's completely blocked off the back side. The new one here does not move smoothly. It's got 3 notches. All the way closed, half, and open. And I don't know what internally is different about this carb. Also, the body seems to be the same. The inside here, you can see this barrel is barely machined. And this one I had that's old has a big machining spot on it here on the casting of that barrel, or that inner piece there. So I'm not sure what the difference is. I am tempted sorely to take this apart and see what's going on in there, but I've had so many issues with the ET8 carb that I do not want to tempt fate. I will, however, pull the needles out and look at them. They are basically the same, so we'll make sure we get the new one back in the new carb, and we'll stick that on the ET8 and see what happens. Like I said, I'm tempted to open it up and see what's new inside this new carb, just because it's got this definitely 3 detents in it, and I don't know what that means. But we'll put it on the ET8 and try it out first. And if we have any issues, we will tear it apart and look at it.